how to fix unable to go online in the Uber driver app. So I'm going to explain 4 reasons why this may happen and how you can fix them. For the first one, you just want to make sure that you have the most up-to-date version of Uber driver. So search for Uber driver in the App Store or the Google Play Store, and right here where it says you want to click on the app itself, and if it says open, it means that you have the most current version. If it says update, you just want to update to the latest version. Now, if you have the app updated, then what you want to do next is check your internet connection. So if you're using a Wi-Fi network, then you may have gone out of range. So make sure you switch over to cellular data and make sure that your cellular data actually has coverage and that you have an internet connection. Now, another reason why you might be getting this issue is because of this. So if you're driving outside of your service area of the sign-up city, you want to change, or you have to change your location on Uber driver. If your rating is too low, you can learn how to improve your ratings, and if you exceeded the driving time limit, this is only for US and Canada. And the last reason why you might be getting this issue is if some of your documents have expired here or needed to be re-uploaded, if you recently uploaded new documents that are pending review, or if your account is on hold, so you just want to check your email address and look for a message from Uber. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.